In this video, we are going to discuss one more stock on the basis of technical analysis. So if you want to know the name of the stock, make sure you watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and today is Saturday. We are back with one more episode of Stock Watch series. This is the episode number 28. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, then you subscribe to my channel. Every Saturday we are releasing one stock in our Stock Watch series, which is based on totally technical analysis. So in this video we are going to discuss Berger Paint. The stock has in the good momentum since last few days. It has already given a very good breakout and sustaining about those breakout levels. So if you are not aware about the term breakout, I have released one detailed video about breakout trading and how to trade a breakout as like a professional trader. You can find link into the description or somewhere here also. So watch that video and learn what is breakout trading. Some good unusual volume activity also observed in this Berger Paint counter, which inspires me to shortlist this counter as a bullish stock. So check this analysis in detail, so you will learn a lot out of that also. And previously on Stockwatch episode number 27, we discussed about Voltas and Havells as a bearish stock. Unfortunately, both the stock has triggered our stop loss and we exit at the mentioned level. Sometime it happens after your all analysis, your stop loss has been triggered. So that's okay, it's a part of the trading life. So let's move to discuss about Berger Paint. So let's jump to the screen. Welcome to the screen, and this is the daily chart of Berger Paint. And let's analyze this chart on a different time frame and let's look at what signals this chart is providing us. So this is a daily chart and you can see a very good consolidation, and right now is heading upside. So let's start with monthly time frame, so which is our higher time frame, or we call it long term trend. And in this last 2 to 3 months it has been in this sideways. You can see the previously upside was trapped at 550 zone and downside at 450. So 100 point was the range for 3 to 4 months for this counter. And in this month of August, it has given a breakout of upside on the range of 550 on a monthly time frame, so which is again a very good signal, range breakout. And then you can see the moving average slope is upside, and this is the monthly chart. Long term time trend is upside, we call it. And one more thing, momentum is also very high. RSI is taking support above 60 zone, extremely bullish signal. So these are the 3 to 4 major signals this chart has given us on a long-term chart. So now converting this to the weekly time frame, so which is our medium-term horizon. So let's look at the dimension trend. Trend is upside. You can see the moving average support here either intact, here also intact, and the slope of the moving average is upside. So trend is up in medium-term time frame of weekly chart, and this is last candle. The weekly time frame is very bullish with a very good reasonable volumes, and RSI momentum is also taking support above 60 on a weekly time frame. Again, a very good signal, extremely bullish. And here also you can see the breakout up here of this resistance of 550, which we already seen on a monthly time frame also. So these are the few reasons the stock is giving us as this is a bullish stock for short to medium term horizon we have seen. And if we can consider the Bollinger Bands, so it is also tagging the upper Bollinger Band right now, and more the bands are widening, so volatility is increasing on a weekly time frame, which is also a very good sign for this counter. So these are the few reasons this chart has given us. So let's analyze a daily time frame, which is our short-term horizon. So there are multiple of signals in short-term horizon. First one is it has given some pattern breakout here. You can see this is triangular pattern also formation here, and the breakout appears here on the 7th August. Stock has retested the resistance trend line, and now have consolidation is come to over, and we can see a good amount of consolidation already happened after a breakout, which is a good sign because it is sustaining above the breakout level. So that is the one major signal. Then one more thing is chart has given a very good signal here, which is kind of volumes. You can see the volume is increasing above after the breakout. So stock is sustaining above the resistance zone after breakout, the very important thing. And volumes are also increasing, means some person or traders or maybe some houses are accumulating this stock, which is very clear by this volume analysis. And always remember, you can see here, this is a range again, small range. Since last 10 days, stock is consolidating in a range after a breakout, but the volume activity is very high and it is increasing. So somebody is accumulating this counter after a breakout. So always remember, person can hide the price. If they want to hide, they can hide the price, but they never hide the volumes. Volume itself suggests so many things here. So that is one number one reason. After breakout, consolidation, volume activity is increasing, and momentum is also very high, above 60 support, which is extremely good signal. So again, now checking the volatility also. So here the bands are expanding. This is a squeeze opening here, and stock is slowly and steadily moving upside. Bands are widening, means increasing in volatility. So these are the few signals, very important. And one more thing is here, the stock is having a breakout of this horizontal resistance also here, which is again good signal. So there are two breakouts, a pattern breakout and the horizontal resistance breakout appeared in this counter. So you need to uh, analyze this kind of signals very oftenly. And on a short-term time frame, the moving average slope is again upside. So overall, we can see the trend is upside. Price means pattern breakout. Candlesticks are also very bullish. You can see here volume are increasing, and you can see on the big white candles volumes are very high. This is a white candle, volumes are very high. Okay, so which suggests itself that the counter is very bullish for coming days and coming weeks. And we have seen the trend, the price pattern breakout, the volume, momentum, and also the volatility. So almost we have analyzed with a 6 different angle in this counter. So that's the way you analyze the some particular stocks to make a view. And you can also trade this counter with the help of this kind of analysis. So right now this stock is clear cut giving a breakout and consolidate above the breakout level. So let's analyze the levels for this counter. So I would like to use this Fibonacci retracement first, and I'm going to take this small retracement of this swing to this, and let's see where is it is going us, giving us a signal. It comes around 588, and here is also a resistance zone. So I'm going to mark this level 597. So 600 is a round number resistance also, and we are expecting this stock to a target price of 600, and right now it is trading around 566.80 zone. So any dip is a good opportunity in this counter as a buying opportunity. So use any correction is a good opportunity to buy. So I'm going to mark the stop loss level at this small consolidation, which comes around 544. So 544, 545 is your area of stop loss. You need to maintain that stop loss. Also, there is a CIP coming here. This is a resistance, this is resistance, and stock is taking support here. Changing polarity also there. So we are going to mark this CIP as our stop loss area 544 and keeping the target area of 600. And if you want to hold this stock above the 600 level, you can do that. And you can do simply again one more retracement from this point to this point, and it is giving us almost 590 is near to 600 resistance, and next is 654, 55. So 650 we are going to mark the level of important resistance or target. Second target, we could say second target is around 650. The first target is 600, second target is 650, and you can hold this stock for short to medium term horizon in equity segment. And this is standard disclaimer I'm giving you. This is not a buy and sell advice. This is just for educational purpose. So these are the signals on Berger Paint. We have seen so many good bullish signals on various time frames also. So keep this stock in your watch list as a bullish stock. So that's it from my side. And if you like the way we analyze the stock and making a view on particular stock, then you can hit the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.